Imagine losing your home in a wildfire, only to find your insurance won't even cover half the cost to rebuild. According to Ho and Nugent from AP News website Access on June 23, 2025, that's exactly what happened to homeowner Chris Wilson in Los Angeles. He paid 60% more in premiums than his neighbor Louise Hamlin and still received less than half the coverage after they both lost their home to a wildfire. Whether you're a college student having to pay car insurance, a young professional pitching out thousands to insure your new home, or a parent trying to decide which health insurance is best for your family, you will likely deal with some kind of insurance, from car, renters, health, or home insurance. No matter who you are or what insurance you're paying, I'm sure about 90% of you would tell me that you feel confident about your insurance. Now, if I were to ask you any specifics about that insurance, would you be able to tell me? You probably wouldn't be able to, and that's fine. But how much you're paying and what you're paying are definitely something you should know. As someone who has witnessed family members deal with unexpected disasters and money just being thrown away to deductibles, I understand how choosing the right insurance policy is essential in keeping your money and assets safe. Too many people ignore the fine print of their insurance policies until it's too late and disaster strikes. Regular insurance audits are simple tasks that you can do to make sure you save your money and protect your future from unwanted mistakes. So today, I'll explain why neglecting your insurance is a serious problem and how you can take simple steps to audit your coverage and what benefits you'll be gaining by staying protected and prepared. Most people don't even think to audit their insurance policies. Some may not know that you can even audit your insurance, especially after major life changes like marriage, childbirth, or switching jobs. The last thing you may be thinking about is changing your policy. This can lead to overpaying for coverage, or worse, being uninsured during a crisis. According to Lerner and colleagues in davidlerner.com, last access June 23, 2025, policyholders often let their coverages become outdated, exposing themselves to major financial losses. Chris Wilson learned this the hard way when he was forced into California's FAIR Plan, a last resort insurance program with high premiums and minimal coverage, after his private insurer dropped him. He lost his home and paid far more than his neighbor, Louise Hamlin, who had better private insurance coverage, as stated before in Ho and Nugent's article from AP News, last access June 23, 2025. Hearing the word insurance probably makes you think of reading fine print for hours on end, trying to figure out which policy suits your situation the best, but it doesn't have to be like that at all. The solution is very simple. Conduct a simple insurance audit every time your life changes, significantly. Now, these significant moments, life events, may be different for everyone, but everyone's significant is still important, no matter how big or small it is. From adding your kid to your car insurance policy, to someone changing their house insurance policy after a natural disaster has struck, or even adjusting your life insurance policy. In Forbes magazine website, last access June 23, 2025, author David Kleinhandler emphasized that even life insurance policies should be reviewed periodically to ensure they align with your financial goals and current family needs. Use online comparison tools to compare your current policy to a new one, or speak with an insurance agent if you feel like doing it yourself is too complicated or overwhelming. These agents could also give you personalized advice on what policy you should prioritize or which one suits your situation the best. Ensuring you're not paying for unnecessary add-ons, many policies include these useless coverages that offers no real benefits to you at all, as explained by Pettigrew and colleagues in the Insurance Thought Leadership, last access June 23, 2025. To sum it all up, during an insurance audit, whether you're doing it yourself or with an agent, the goal is to make sure all you need is covered, while also not having to pitch out unnecessary money to coverages you don't need. It may sound a little too easy, but that's really all you need to do. If you follow this advice, you'll not only save money, you'll be saving time, energy, and more importantly, be prepared. You know you're covered if disaster strikes, and more importantly, you'll be prepared. You won't end up like Chris Wilson, paying more for less than what you support the most. You'll be like Louise Hamlin, who was able to rebuild quickly with less distress because she had the right coverage in place. And lawyer notes in lawyer insurance agency website, last access June 23, 2025, insurance audits not only protect your assets, but they can also uncover potential gaps you didn't even know existed. Neglecting insurance audits can lead to wasted money and devastating losses. But with simple, regular check-ins, you can ensure you're paying the right amount for the right protection. After today, I urge you to schedule an insurance audit. Ask your parents or relatives if they didn't one before, or maybe even ask your neighbor. Look at whatever policy you currently have and see how you can make it better for you. Don't wait for a disaster to learn the hard way either. No one plans for tragedy, but you can prepare for it. A few minutes of attention today can save you thousands tomorrow. Be proactive, audit your insurance, and protect your future.